What's up, guys? Welcome to the Factory Financial. My name is JD Newells. I'm a factory worker, and this is my journey from being factory worker to financially independent, hopefully sometime soon. And in this video, I will go over my entire TFSA account. When I say entire, there's not that many things, so I'm just at a starting point right now, and every week I'll be adding hopefully $100 or more, and I'll be going through every week buying and showing you what I bought. So let me just show you exactly what I got, and let me explain why I got it. Alright, so let's go. Okay, so here's my TFSA account. I currently have almost $1,400, and for last month I'm up $12, which is 1%, which is fine because the investments that I do, they're right now getting crushed for the Rona. And we are still not there. So hopefully once we get herd immunity and once vaccination rolls out massively, real estate is going to come up, because this is the only thing right now that hasn't been jumping back up like everything else. This is the only sector. So as you can tell right here, I have 3 of them. And till recently, I was really aggressively buying Plaza Retail. As you can tell, this is my biggest portfolio, or biggest part in my portfolio. $700. I have 194 shares. Let's jump into that. Okay, Plaza REIT, $3.64 right now. They pay dividend monthly, which is 2 cents per share. So I got enough shares right now to qualify for drip, but unfortunately Wealthsimple doesn't do drip, so I'm gonna have to be buying every month one share. So I got 194 shares, which gives me enough money to buy 1 share for free every month. And the whole point of this is to buy dividend paying stocks, except this one doesn't pay, but this is just kind of a pet project of mine, so don't worry about that. So I'll be focusing mainly on dividend players, so things or companies that pay cash. So the first one was Plaza Retail. My average price is $3.55. Like I said, 57%. It's a very large part of my portfolio, but I don't care because I want that monthly dividend. Anyways, I know a lot of people is gonna say like, oh, you need to diversify this and that. I will, but also in the same token, this was not anymore. This is kind of like, let me see where they. Okay, so they're a little bit more than that. So they're about 460, 470, but that's okay. So they're still down. Still down 20%. Okay, so I can still keep buying because in a year or two, there will go up to almost to $5 where it was before this cliff right here. So even right now, doesn't matter because it's gonna go up. It's gonna return one day. The second of my portfolio is everybody's favorite in Canada. It's a rei.un. It's one of my favorites, and this is the one that I'm gonna be investing right now heavily. So once this clears, $160, once this money clears, I will invest into the rei.un, and it makes 30% of my portfolio, which is large, and it's $17.72. So you can tell I'm down on this, but it's okay, doesn't matter, because one day, a year or two from now, stock's gonna go back to where it was, and I'm just buying this massively, or I'm gonna be focusing on it because this will recover. It's one of the largest, if not the largest, real estate player in town, and they're focusing back on doing some residential units, or not back. They're focusing on switching their portfolio to more residential and commercials. So yeah. Great future ahead, I'm sure. Just they're down right now, and that's why I'm buying it. And the third one is ticker symbol sru.un. That's Smart Center, and I don't have much. I only have 3 shares, so I'll be buying because their dividend yield is juicy. It's 7.71%. So I think that's 10 or 12 cents per share. I'm not even sure. But it's juicy 7%. Oh my god. They haven't cut their dividend like rei.un did. rei.un only pays 8 cents per month, but it's also like every month pays. So everything that I have, I'm gonna be focusing on buying Plaza retail. So the whole goal is to get so much dividends to buy other dividend payers, so that piggy gets fatter and fatter. And this one is also like one of my favorites right now, and I'll be investing into this one heavily too. I only have 3 shares, as you can tell, 25.70, 26, so I'm a little bit up, doesn't matter. I'll be investing into it for long. All of this right here, they're dividend payers, and not only that, I want to keep them forever. That's one of those things. I want to reach one day as much as I can. I want to put a limit to it, but if I can get a $1,500, if I can get a $1,500 from all of this, that would be insane. I would love that. So we'll see how it goes. And this is the last one. This is just have 2 shares because I had a little bit of cash left in my account. So 2 shares, 31 cents, I think was whatever it was. This is Weed MD. This is Ontario-based company, and it's a penny stock. So just gonna buy like maybe like 100 or 1,000 shares and just leave it be. See what happens in a while, because we have a Biden administration coming up. So hopefully they're gonna pass through the Senate and everything, the laws, so decriminalize the weed in the states. So that's gonna open a lot of space for Canadian companies to jump on that market. And the next one that I'm going to be buying, focusing, is, I think it's called American Lithium, which is also a Canadian company. American Lithium or Standard Lithium, one of those two. Let's see. Yeah, this is the one. It's $4. Also Canadian company. They have like one of the largest deposits, rights on the largest deposits in Nevada, lithium deposit in Nevada. So I'll be buying. 460 was the high. Now it's 370. I'll be buying this like crazy. So I don't know. Add to watch list. Add to watch list. Okay. So those are 2 I'll be watching. Anyways, so that's my portfolio for now, and as soon as that's $160.65, as soon as that clears, I'm going to be buying some shares, and I'll be updating you guys pretty soon. So until then, see you in the next video.